Hi, it's Martin here from Southport Automart. I'll start by showing you us. This is some of the fantastic vehicles we've got available at the moment. I'm particularly fond of this one. Next door is the Honda parent dealer that provides us with the bulk of our cars in part exchange. They also do our servicing, safety checks, pre-delivery inspections, etc. And it's just started raining here, so I've popped this into the MOT bay because look at it. 67 registered, BMW 420D, and it's got the options that you want on this car. M Sport first of all, so we got the right trim. 19-inch alloy wheels with then the upgraded M Sport braking system, so you get the M Sport blue brakes there as well. Then it's got Harmon Kardon Soundsystem, high beam support system, rear view camera. You never see a rear view camera on these 4 Series because it's quite an expensive option on factory and most people do without, especially at this time. So before I go any further, if you've watched any of our videos before, you know we always show you any good bits, any bad bits, anything that we may need to rectify on the vehicle, anything that would still be there when you pick it up. So let's do a little tour. I have noticed a couple of stone chips. There's just one on the bonnet there and a couple just on the front bumper there. They're small, and 48,000 I think is the mileage on this one, so you'd expect to see a little bit, and we will touch them in and we will improve them. The big one though, the 19-inch alloys, all 4 of them are immaculate. I'll show you them as we go around as well. Down the side of the car, I'm not noticing anything untoward. Here's it from the back as well. There you go. The boot space on these is brilliant as well. You know, really deep. And you've got the 60/40 split rear folding seats. That's another option on these. Rear privacy glass. It's just very well equipped. Do you know what? I'm seeing a few stone chips. There's one on the wing mirror there. And not really any other causes for concern. So for a vehicle of this age and mileage, it's great. Going on inside, condition wise in here, the leather all looks in really good condition. Black Dakota leather. We've got automatic lights. There's the high beam support that I mentioned before. Let me just get the exact mileage up here as well. 48,063. There's the navigation as well. There's dual zone climate control, heated seats. There's the Harmon Kardon sound system, which you've not heard before. It just sounds phenomenal. And look how good this rear camera is as well. Active guidelines that show you where you're going to end up. Those lines that you see on the screen, that's just a difference between my phone camera and the screen's refresh rate. When you look at it with your eyes, there's no imperfections whatsoever. Yeah, and then you get the sort of radar sensing visual upgrade as well. Yeah, it's just a stunning place to be. Drives really great. Yeah, I'm almost the Pro navigation system as well, so you can see it's the widescreen with the split screen option on there. So I think that's probably all I need to show you at this stage. I'll just give you another little look at it. As it is with the halo LED front lights on as well, which look great. So yeah, I suppose I'll just use this as a little opportunity to say that if I can get you any more pictures or videos, just get in touch. We will take absolutely anything in part exchange. If you would like to get a finance quotation or a price on that part exchange, just get in touch. You can call us, you can Facebook us, you can WhatsApp us, we'll FaceTime video viewing with you. However your preference is, we're more than happy to accommodate. And we've got some free delivery options if you live more than 50 miles away. And then we've also got a click and collect service as well. So if you can't get to us for any reason, don't worry, we can get the car to you. Thanks very much for watching. My name's been Martin, and look forward to speaking to you soon.